You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase in French, and how do you say kids or children in French. Without the article, it's pronounced enfant, enfant. The T and the S at the end is silent. If it's plural or singular, it's going to be the same pronunciation, with no S if it's singular, with an S if it's plural, but the pronunciation stays the same, enfant. Now, if you have the article before, if you want to say several kids, you say les enfants. You make a liaison, so you link up the S of the article with the vowel that follows, making it pronounced like a Z. Les enfants, les enfants, les enfants. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.